Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you concerned about your power cord or supply cord since there is a big chance that it might short circuit because of water damage and currently looking for cord products, weatherproof locks or electric cord lock? If you're looking for a cord lock, then the ClickShield cord lock will be the perfect product for you. This is a fast and inexpensive way to weatherproof any power cord while also eliminating irritating and dangerous disconnects. This item is made from durable all-weather plastic shield that has a unique ratchet mechanism. When you hear a click, then you know your power cord is properly and securely locked. Here are its technical information. Manufacturer is Allied Precision. Dimensions are 5.5 by 2 by 2.25. Weight is 0.20. This is also offered in 3 colors: green, black, or orange. But the awesome features don't end there. This baby has an internal gasket that assures a water-resistant electrical connection. Now is the perfect time to get this product. Grab the ClickShield cord lock today at a very affordable price and make sure that you have a very durable cord lock. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.